Today's soap, I'm trying to make a Christmas tree with ornaments in it. I have this bright idea that I created a scraper to kind of create a tree look. So I'll kind of scrape it along and pull out the excess. I don't know if it's gonna work. Like, I'm not sure, but basically what I'm going to do is I made all these different ornaments. So I have them both 18 and 23 millimeter. And there's 4 different designs. So I made a ton of ornaments. And I'm going to embed them in throughout and hope that I can keep them all upright. Now I kind of want this to thicken up so I can scrape out excess soap. So I kind of really stick blended this a lot so that it's thick. And I hope that, I don't know, I hope it all works. But yeah, I'm just going to, again, embed a bunch of these ornaments. So hopefully it looks like there's ornaments going throughout a tree. And then I have a star to put on top. And I'm going to hope that it all works. So I'm just going to speed this up because it's going to take me a while to embed everything. And then we'll come back and when I get to the scraping part of it. So yeah, enjoy. Okay, ready to see what this disaster resulted in? Okay, it wasn't a complete disaster, but you know how you have this idea and you think it's a great idea and then you make it and yeah, it's not a great idea. I mean, it kind of looks like an abstract tree with ornaments. I'll give you that. My scraper was a fail, partly because my soap was not set up enough, but it wasn't setting up and I just didn't have the patience. Plus I had somewhere to be, so I shouldn't have made this soap when I made it. You can see a little bit of the tree outline. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah, win some and you lose some, and this was not one of my better attempts. I mean, it's not awful. Like I said, I think if you look at it, you can see it's a tree with ornaments, a star on top, and the blue is the sky because I didn't know what else to do when I needed to fill in that space. Yeah, I said, I thought it was a brilliant idea at the time. It's okay. I said, it's not awful. If you love that pine, this smells like Christmas wreath. That's like, it just smells like a Christmas tree to me. So I said, it is what it is. Let me know what you think. Complete fail, or we're going just with abstract Christmas tree and we're gonna roll with that.